Thing is, that just won't attract a lot of people. Honestly, that'll attract people like me, and the more hardcore shooters will like it. But there isn't many of us out there, you know. It's obviously up to them. I don't know what their plan is, but hell yeah, BSS baby, let's do it. So hopefully I don't die right away. No proning or leaning. Yeah, it's good. No proning or leaning is good. It's a good thing. I'm just gonna use this fucking gun. I don't care. I'm gonna die real soon anyway. Oh, he was trying to kill me, and then he 30 bullets gun, I guess. Really? That's it? There's a guy in here. Fuck. I'm running out of bullets. Wish I had a cheek pad. Bro, I'm about to run out of ammo. Oh! What happened? Wait, what? Where'd the nade go? Oh my god! That was crazy. What the fuck? That happened so fast. And I thought they just made it disappear. It all happened so fast. What? You got 9 mil? Haha! That's the only game. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait, where'd you go? Oh, he's gone. Holy fuck. Ninja. Oh my god. That was scary close. Holy adrenaline, dude. Relax.
Where the fuck I am?
I have 12 first aids. Let's go ahead and drop like 3 of those. There we go.
Where the fuck I am?
That guy didn't even have a helmet. What?
Where the fuck I am?
Okay.
Where the fuck I am?
This is where it gets scary.
Fuck I am.
It's like I have an arm. Bro, he had a level 3 helmet. That guy had a level 3 helmet. I just fucking destroyed it. Oh my god. This is really hard to... Oh, he's trying to pan. Okay, okay. No. Okay. Hey. Wait, don't do it. Okay, I thought you were going to shoot me. All right, heal up. I'm low too. So let's get boosted up. Get full HP. Just wait it out. We're dropping our like helmets. Yeah. go. I dropped it all. I had my backpack. There we go. Alright. I'll wait. I'm not full yet. Are you full? No? Okay. Just wait it out.
Just kidding.
Are you full? You good? Are we good? Are we doing this? Okay, hold on. Let's get in the zone a little bit. Alright. Okay. Okay. Wait, I have the nade. When the nade goes off, we fight. Okay. Oh. Ooh, hit you in the feet. Okay. Ah!
Again.
GG. Oh boy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.